Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are going to be cleaning the MX5's throttle body. Check it out. Okay, so let's start off by taking off this whole air intake tubing and then having a look inside and see what it looks like. Okay, let's see if we can have a look inside and check it out. It's a bit difficult to see. There is some gunk all around. And we're gonna see if we can clean it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the cleaner, spray it in, let it sit for a bit and just work. And then I'm gonna use a clean rag and try and wipe out as much of the gunk as possible. Maybe put the intake back, plug in the sensors, run the car for a minute or two, and then I'll take it off and see and clean it a bit more, spray again, and just rinse and repeat the process until we get it looking really good. Okay, I've put the intake back on. Let's start her up and see what she does. Okay, I've let her run for about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna pull off the tube, intake tube, open it up, check it out, and spray it again if it needs to. And then just rinse and repeat. You can see that buildup of gunk starting to lay there at the bottom. So it's definitely working. I'm gonna hit it with a third and final time, and then we'll have a look what the throttle body looks like and see how much cleaner it is. And then I'm gonna call it good. Okay, third time done. So let's have a look on the inside and see what it looks like. Okay, wow, you can actually see the silver on the inside. You can see there's still a few marks of things on the inside, but it's a lot cleaner. It's not black anymore. Okay, I think that worked. It definitely cleaned it up. So I'm gonna jump back on it, put everything back together, run it a little bit more, and make sure everything's good, and that's gonna be it. There it is. She starts first turn, sounds smooth. There it is, guys. She's running great, quick and easy as always. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.